Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Yilun factory. Let me introduce my factory. This part is the test sample room. Please follow me to our sample room. Welcome. This is our sample room. In my sample room, there are different types of rollers and different types of conveyors. This is mining machine. This is DT second mining machine. This is sidewall conveyor. This is flat conveyor. This is mobile conveyor. This is for the sample for fairs. This is the drive pulley. This is the rollers, impact rollers. This is the bracket. So you can send me any inquiry about my products, and I trust my products will satisfy you. Yeah, let's go out to check about the testing room. Okay, let's go. This is our testing room. After finish the rollers and the pulleys, we will test first before sending to our customer. Yeah, this is to test the roller radio run out. This is test for the bearing. This is test the bearing machine. This part is for the resistance for the rollers when running. If the running resistance is big, it's not good for the rollers. Not good quality. This part is for the waterproof. You know, in some bears, there are so many waters and so many rainings. So we should test for our customers first before sending to customer. This is for the rust proof. This part is for the radio run out. You know, if the radio run out is bigger, the roller quality is not very good. So you will know for hours always is less than 0.5 millimeter. It's better. Okay, let's go out and to check it about our other departments. Yeah, from know my products like the sample and the testing room, you will know interested about my products. Let me introduce about the products for the pulleys. We can produce different kinds of pulleys like the drive pulley, tail pulley, snub pulley, and clamp pulley. Different customers, different requirements. This part is for the packing, pulley packing. This always for the pallet. If the customer needs the different requirements for the packing, okay, no problem. This machine is for the pulley sleeve. This part of working machine is for the pulley service. You know, after produce this part, the service is very nice, and after the painting is very good. Yeah, this part is for the welding machine. This welding machine is automatic. So the welding is very distributed. Wow, this part is the pipe material storage. For our customer, you can choose different diameters like 2070 millimeter, 400 millimeter, 600 millimeter. any decrement, any diameter, it's no problem. According to the customer, also we can produce about the pulleys according to the customer's drawing, according to the customer's requirement. Yeah, this part is for the conveyors. This is not finished conveyors, but you can check it about the frames. This also the conveyor frames. You can check it. Very beautiful conveyor welding. This part is the finished conveyor. We show the text firstly before sending to customer. Yeah, this part also for the second part for the produced conveyors. This machine for cut the conveyor frame. This is the bracket conveyor storage. This part is the bracket storage. Yeah, this is the roller pipe storage area. This is, for the rollers, is our main product. We can produce different diameters like 60 millimeter, 89 millimeter, 102 millimeter. So, don't worry about the diameter. We can make it according to customer requirements. This part, like a house, yeah, this is a rust cleaning equipment. This out the running cleaning. This is very good for the painting and make sure the rollers have a good service and good looking. This part is for the bearing house, double second. This part is for the latching machine. This part is for the latching machine. After cutting the pipe, we will know about it, latching it. This part is the cutting, the automatic cutting pipe machine. We can cut the pipe diameter from 50 millimeter to 290 millimeter. It's very fast and very simple. This part is for the latching machine, double latching machine. It can make sure the latching machine the pipe stable, and to make sure the consistency for the rollers. Well, this part is for the double welding machine. The double welding machine can weld the bearing house at the same time to make sure the roller's consistency and the accuracy. This part is for the roller shaft. For the roller shaft, we can produce it from 20 millimeter to 60 millimeter. For the different, we also can make it different slot, the roof, and according to customer requirement. Well, this part is out welded. You will know it. You can check it. Out welding, very distributed, very nice. But after welding, we will come to this part. This part is after adding to remove the rust and to remove the welded slag. You will know it. It's very nice after remove the welded slag, and can make sure very nice, beautiful surface. This part is for the double pressing machine. We will use the elasticity and the number 2. This is grease. for the rollers. We can press the rollers bearing and halves together, and to make sure the concentricity and to make sure the rollers are less than 0.5 millimeter. All this part is for the roller, finished roller. So you will check it. We can produce different. This roller is screw rollers. Yeah, this is very nice, and they also can produce different colors. This part is always our customer requirement, like red, yellow, purple, black, and orange. Yeah, any color if you need, we can make it accordingly. This is the black. It is black roller. Okay, it's very nice. Yeah. Finally, let's go to the packing department. Always for the export rollers, we use the wooden box packing. But you know, sometimes some customers think the wooden box packing is a little expensive. So we can choose this department, this packing is a pallet, wooden pallet. Yeah, it also can make sure we will pack like this to protect the rollers. Yeah, after visit our factory, you will know it about my factory, and I think you have some questions about my factory. If you have any questions about my product, you can talk with me by video. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our rubber belt storage area. This is rubber belt storage area. It's about 30 years experience for selling rubber belt. We cooperate with good quality rubber belt factory. We can supply various kinds of rubber belt, like curtain rubber belt, open V rubber belt, closed V belt, sidewall conveyor belt, endless conveyor belt, PVC belt, and so on. At the same time, we have many years of experience for designing various conveyor systems. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our sample room. These samples are marine conveyor, flexible conveyor, drive pulley, tail pulley, steel roller set, impact roller set, coin roller set, fraction roller set, sleeve roller set, spring roller set, and so on. We can produce Chinese standard, CMA standard, GRS standard, and so on. We also can produce these products according to customer requirements and customer's drawing.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our pulley processing area. We can produce various types of pulleys with different sizes and different standards according to the customer requirements, such as drive pulley, tail pulley, snap pulley, cage pulley, and so on. First, our pulley is made by large seamless steel tube. We processively cut the pipe by using the flame cutting machine, and weld the inner discs by using the professional arm robot, and weld the sleeve and discs by using the positioner. And we use the large laser process the outer circle, so that ensure the pulley has a uniform thickness and small runout and long serving life. Second, the shaft we choose is 45 round steel. Shaft and sleeve are processed as a whole. When special requirements are required, it can be flaw detected, forged, tempered, to ensure the concentricity and reduce the eccentricity, and make sure the rotation of the pulley is more stable. Third, selecting high-quality bearings and bearing sights. Equipped with bearing inner diameter increaser, after the bearing is preheated, push the bearing directly into the bearing position to avoid damage to the bearing during the installation. Fourth, the surface treatment of the pulley. We use the water-based environmental protection paint, which is no irritating smell and strong adhesion and much color for customer to choose. What's more, the surface of the pulley can be lagging with rubber, flat rubber and diamond shape to choose, with beautiful appearance, and can also be made according to the customer requirements. Fifth, the processing of the pulley completed. Our quality inspector will check it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our conveyor processing area. As all kind of general equipment, belt conveyor is widely used at industrial production. We have special welding platform. Welding on the platform makes the frame stable. Full weld. Finishing welding. The surface treatment will be made according to the customer's requirements. All the ruler, pulley, frame, and spare parts are produced by ourselves to keep the quality control. Before leaving the factory, the conveyor will be installed and adjusted in the workshop to make sure the belt does not divide. Work stable, low noise, high efficiency, and safe. Moreover, our after-sales service team provides 24-hour online serving. Our engineer will touch you in the first time, face-to-face respond your questions, help you to solve the problem. Dear friends, if you want to know more technical information of our products, please leave a message and interact with me.
Hello everyone, welcome to our frame workshop. The frame is the main support part of the conveyor. A straight and solid frame can provide a stable environment for the conveyor, lengthen force, and extend the service life of the roller and dome. We can make different standard frames according to customer requirements. The standard like DT75, DT2, Japanese standard JIS, South American CEMA, and so on. The workshop have a manipulator welding area and a manual welding area. If the quantity more than 200 pieces per item, we use the manipulator platform for welding. All the frame model is customized by design paper. The frame welded by the manipulator has high flatness, flow welding, high concentricity, and stable running. Metal welding accept the personal customized. Metal welding accept the personal customized, meaning MOQ. During the welding, we examine the angle to adjust the frame.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is roller produce department and storage department. We choose high quality welded pipes. This kind of pipe is professional for making rollers. The steel pipe availability is less than 0.4 mm. Excellent straightness and small tolerance. The pipe thickness is from 2.5 mm to 6 mm. The pipe diameter, we can make it according to customer requirement, like 50 mm, 60 mm, 76 mm, 89 mm, 102 mm, 108 mm, and so on. The biggest roller pipe diameter is 290 mm. This is roller pipe rust cleaning machine. We use professional derusting equipment to remove floating rust and oxides. It can make the pipe surface more cleaning, increase the hardness of the pipe surface and the adhesive coating. Now let's compare non-rust pipe. You will know how professional we are. This is automatic pipe cutting machine. We use automatic pipe cutting machine to cut roller pipe. The pipe diameter is from 50 mm to 290 mm. The steel pipe is fixed. The cutter is working. This technological process can ensure the stability of the pipe. This is the professional roller pipe lacing machine. It processes the two ends of the pipe at the same time. This processing ensures the concentricity of the bearing house. Radius. This is bearing house processing equipment. We process the bearing house to ensure the occupancy. This is the bearing house processing equipment. We process the bearing house to ensure the occupancy. We use pipe double welding machine to weld the two ends of the bearing house at the same time. This processing ensures the concentricity of the bearing house. The welded surface is equally distributed. Bearing house cleaning machine. Oil seal. We choose double lacing seal. We inject number 2 lithium grease. This kind of seal has advantage of waterproof and rust-proof. This is automatic cutting shaft machine. It is full automatic feeding and burst cutting. This is shaft slot machine. We can process shaft ending, shaft slot, shaft groove at one time, ensuring each shaft is the same size and easily assembled. This is double milling machine. We can process shaft diameter from 20 mm to 60 mm. The shaft length is from 200 mm to 2008 mm. This is oven painting area. The oven painting is electrostatic spring. It must high temperature for dry. This is double pressing machine. We can press bearing and seal at the same time. This processing can ensure uniform stress. There is no damage for bearing and seal. After double pressing, we put circlip and test roller running to make sure each roller running flexibly. This is packing area. There are 3 kinds of packing: wooden box, pallet, and non-packed cargo.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our roller machine adjusting area. Many customers not only import rollers, but also want to produce the rollers by himself. We have many experience for exporting roller machines for many years. At the same time, we help our customers to find the high-quality equipment and provide overseas installation, offer design drawings, and make the mold and all the spare parts and all the technical support for the customer. The whole services help the customer import the machine, teach the customers how to use, and open the new molds team, provide 24-hour online service. Our engineer will touch you. Moreover, our customer sales service team provides 24-hour online service. Our engineer will touch you in the first time, face-to-face, respond to your question. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our quality inspection room.
广大的客户朋友们，大家好，我是德州一轮输送机械有限公司总经理郑纯勇。下面我给介绍一下我们技术部员工、质检部人部长。下面由我们技术部员工和人部长 给介绍一下我们公司质检部的相关情况。
此设备为落式硬度计，用于检测脱轨轴承硬度。当轴承硬度不合格时，制作脱轨禁止使用。此仪器为天摆仪，用于检测脱轨轨子径向跳动。此表共有3个标准，分别为戈伯特10595-1989标准、戈伯特10595-2009标准、戈伯特10595-2017标准。现以戈伯特10595-2017标准为例，当脱轨滚子长度小于550毫米，怠速小于3.15米每秒时，检测脱轨滚子两边及中间跳动量，其检测值不得大于0.6毫米。
有它，
此设备是脱轨防尘试验箱。首先将脱轨安装在倾角为35度的试验箱内，试验箱内煤尘盛入量为尘室容积的20%，力度要小于0.635毫米。在600转每分钟转速条件下旋转200小时，然后将脱轨曲轴拆开，观察轴承和润滑质内不得有煤尘。此设备是脱轨进水淋水试验台。在试验之前，首先测量一下脱轨的质量，并将其记录。防水脱轨需要做进水实验。首先将脱轨安装在试验台内，脱轨的中心线要与水面相形，然后在600转每分钟的转速条件下旋转24小时，然后测量其质量，其进水量不得大于5克。防尘脱轨要做淋水实验，在600转每分钟转速条件下旋转72小时，然后测量其质量，其进水量不得大于150克。设备是脱轨旋转阻力测试实验台。首先以管径小于等于108脱轨动力，在脱轨桶面上增加250牛压力，并且以1450转每分钟的转速饱和15分钟后，将转速调整为600转每分钟，测量其旋转阻力值不得大于2.5牛。当脱轨总径大于108时，详细参数请参见戈伯特10595-2017参数表。此试验台为脱轨轴承座试验台，测量轴承座径跳及端跳。通常情况下，冲压后的轴承座径跳端跳值为0.5毫米左右，一轮公司标准为0.15毫米，超差时不得使用。此仪器为轴承测量仪，用于检测轴承内外径精度。我公司采用优质轴承，在使用前严格检测内外径。 此仪器为轴承润滑质温度测试仪。一轮公司脱轨采用优质轴承，优质轴承对润滑质的要求是零下40度不僵，零上180度不化。此仪器能够准确检测轴承润滑质的耐温程度。此设备是轴向位移和轴向载荷测试仪。轴向位移试验，在脱轨轴上施加500牛压力，脱轨轴位移量不得大于0.7毫米。轴向载荷实验，当脱轨轴小于等于20时，在轴径上施加10千牛压力，脱轨筒体、轴承座、油封不得脱开。当脱轨轴直径大于等于25，小于等于35时，在脱轨轴径上施加15千牛压力，脱轨轴、脱轨筒体、轴承座、油封不得脱开。当脱轨轴径大于等于40时，在脱轨轴上施加20千牛压力，脱轨轴、脱轨筒体、轴承座、油封不得脱开。
Annual bearing is the most important spare part of the rulers, isn't it right?
Exactly. The bearing working life affects ruler working life. The bearing we choose Sweden's SRB bearing is better than national standard.
Can you introduce the ruler working life and warranty for me?
Okay, it's no problem. The ruler design working life is about 50,000 hours. The bearing working life is about 100,000 hours. The warranty for rulers is 18 months out of bearing.
Okay. I know customer always take care about the waterproof and rust-proof. Can you introduce our ruler advantage?
Okay, no problem. Our ruler is very professional for waterproof and rust-proof. We choose double laminacy seal and we inject number 2 lithium grease. Second, we choose waterproof and rust-proof bearing.
Can I know the ruler additional runout?
Okay, for standard rulers, it's less than 0.5 millimeter. High quality ruler is less than 0.3 millimeter.
Can you reintroduce about the rubber belt?
Okay, no problem. We can supply various kinds of rubber belts, like canting rubber belt, open V belt, closed V belt, side wall belt, endless conveyor belt, PVC belt, and so on.
That's good.
Hi, Sunny.
Hi, Lora.
I have some questions to ask you.
Okay, please.
May I ask what kind of size you can make for the pulley?
We can make different standard pulleys, diameter from 219 to 2000, length from 500 to 3000 meters.
Okay, thank you. Second question. What kind of pulley can you make?
We can produce drive pulley, tail pulley, rubber lugging pulley, tension pulley, cage pulley, thread pulley, and so on.
Wow, thank you so much. Will your pulley cracking during use?
The answer is no, because we choose large seamless steel pipe. We precisely cut the pipe using the flame cutting machine and weld the inner discs by using the professional welding machine, and so that it ensures the pulley has a uniform thickness and small runout and long serving life.
Wow, so professional. Wow, can you tell me what kind of conveyors can you produce?
We can produce different types of conveyors, such as manual conveyors, mobile lifting conveyors, large incline conveyors, assembly lines. Moreover, we have our own professional design and production team, so we can produce according to the customer requirements.
Wow, thank you so much for your helping. Hi, Jason.
Hi, Lora.
I have some questions to check with you.
Of course.
Thank you. Can you tell me about the roller working temperature?
Yes, we use the Sweden SRB bearing CMAK grades. It makes the roller running during the minor 14 degrees to 118 degrees.
Wow, very good. Thank you. What about the roller producing ability?
We have 4 roller producing lines. Make roller 3,000 each day.
Wow, very good. Can you tell me about the delivery time?
About 30 days.
Wow, very good. Can you introduce some fairs you attend?
Yes. The international fair like Chile, Antofagasta Mining Fair, Indonesia Mining Fair, Germany Boma Fair, Moscow Boma Fair, and Cologne Fair, and so on.
Wow, so many fairs. Can you tell me some countries you export?
Yeah, okay. I saw too much. For example, Malaysia, Singapore, Chile, Mexico, Russia, Greece, Jordan, Oman, and so on.
Wow, so many countries. Yeah, I have another question about the pulley. Can you tell me about the working life and warranty?
Yes, the working life is more than 50,000 hours, and the warranty is 1 year.
Wow, thank you so much, Jason.
My pleasure.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce some rulers for you. According to the different standards and different countries and different conditions, for my production, we choose 3 levels for customers. First, let me introduce the basic rollers for you. For these rollers, it is cost-effective rollers and popular for all the customers. These rollers make it according to 1989 China standard. This roller, the service is oven painting. The material is welded pipe. For this, we choose the Chinese bearing. This series seal, and it can waterproof and rust-proof. The radical run aft is about 0.6 mm. The designing working life is about 20,000 hours. Warranty time is 12 months. Second, let me introduce efficient rollers. These kind of rollers make it according to 2009 China standard. The radial run aft is about 0.5 mm. The lower noise, the bearing house is very good. This we choose the bearing is Sweden SRB bearing. For this kind of bearing, it is very good for waterproof and rust-proof. Also, for this kind of bearing, we can use it 40 degrees below 0 to 189 degrees. The working life is about 30 hours. The warranty time is 1 year. Third, let me introduce Politium Rulers. This kind of roller is the newest standard. According to 2017 China standard, the quality is the best in 3 rulers. We choose the seamless pipe. The ovality is about 0.2 mm. The radial run out is about 0.1 mm. We inject number 2 lithium grease. This kind of bearing we choose SRB bearing. This bearing it is very good for waterproof and rust-proof. The radial runout is about 0.3 millimeter. The designing life is about 40,000 hours. The warranty is 1 year. It's very good. Thank you.